Hey everybody, Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach service counter selling skills and business management best practices in as close to 60 seconds as humanly possible. Marketing strategies for small automotive businesses, that's a big topic for 60 seconds. Here's the thing, do two things. If you're truly a small shop, focus on Google reviews. Most of your potential new employees and potential new customers will find you through really positive Google reviews. Ask your existing customers to leave you a Google review. Make sure it's Google. I'm not looking at any other service to find out the name of an awesome place to do business with, right? Number two, have a customer referral program. Here's what you do. You have a bunch of business cards printed up. On the back of that business card is a name line where me as a customer, I write my name on that line. I give it to my neighbor, Bob. When Bob comes in, you see my name on it, I get $50 credited to my account. 50, Greg, yes, $50. Because you know what, $10 doesn't talk anymore, $20 barely talks, but $50. Would you trade $50 for an average repair order? Say you're at $500, $600, $700, $900 average repair order. Would you pay me $50 to give you back that $900? Of course you would. Right? All day long. The beauty of it is you don't pay that $50 out until you gain a new customer. Okay? Customer referral program, $50 to each customer that gets referred, $50 to each referral when they refer you a new customer, and Google reviews. Ask your customer to leave you reviews. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.